Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurainun.
My name is Purnana Niswani Yunus.
So today we would like to present our project, Analysis Cultural, about the Dior model advertisement controversy. And the first material will be delivered by Fernanda Niswani Yunus. Time is yours.
So Bloomer in 1968 said that change in style and reference in grooming is a fashion. Fashion is an archetype involving cultural forms as an acceptance that is replaced by others to keep up with the times. Uh, Wilson in 1985 stated that fashion is a rapid change in style and is closely related to modernity. So, fashion is a term used to describe various creations of clothing, footwear, accessories, cosmetics, and even jewelry. Because fashion is a cultural aesthetic that describes how to dress distinctively or as a marker of social status within a group. So the word of fashion has been used in France since 1482. The change in clothing often occur when there are economic or social change that introduce fashions from time to time. Nowadays, clothing and fashion are regarded more as aesthetic than communicative codes, which express ideas and feelings that are often difficult to express directly rather than direct indicators of social status and moral values. So, about Dior, the House of Dior was founded in December 1946 in Paris, but Dior celebrates in 1947 as its opening year. Uh, the the industry financially supported by wealthy businessman Marcel Boussac and on 12 February in 1947, Dior launched his first fashion collection for spring-summer in 1947. Then, in 1947, the Dior company launched its first perfume product, which was very popular in that year. Due to the development of technology, the Dior company also promotes its various products ranging from perfumes, accessories, clothing to cosmetic with a variety of world artists so that Dior products are in demand by parts of the world. However, there are also some negative comments and criticism when Dior tries to promote its product. And in 20 and 23, Dior released an advertisement that received a lot of criticism from people.
Dua, tiga. So this is the advertisements that get a lot of criticism from the people. We can see from these pictures, uh, Dior just released an advertisement for its brand handbag, but in this photo show an Asian woman wearing a traditional costume holding the luxury brand's iconic bag. The photo shows that the eye makeup of a squinting model. So after this advertisement release, uh, this is received many negative comments because it offended certain ethnic groups. Next. So the literal interpretation from Dear advertisement, the Dear advertisement features of the model describing the eyes as slanted or folded, but from the Chinese point of view, the use of pose and expression from the model made Chinese people take offense to the advertisements. Chinese uh, netizens view them as negative and reinforcing racial stereotypes. For example, We put this example of the advertisement in Chinese. The product promotion for a brand by a Chinese model received praise and positive comments from Chinese netizens on the Weibo applications. So after, if we compare both picture, this picture and the deer advertisement, we can see the difference in how Chinese people are represented in advertisements. We can see from these pictures, refers to the models physique that puts forward beauty standard for Chinese netizens, fused eyes, round eyes, and fair skins. But in the deer advertisement, the pose and expressions of the models show that they are narrow, dangerous, and mysterious. Next.
So, to understand why the Chinese people took offense to the ad, we have to understand the cultural context behind the controversy. So, some Western countries, such as the United States and countries in Europe, consider slanted eyes as an insult to Chinese people. This stereotype has a history of being associated with racism against Chinese people. So slanted eyes are a feature of the Mongoloid race, which has a large population from Asia, especially in East Asia. The term racism is a word that describes the racist states of holding the belief that populations can or should be classified into races with different abilities and dispositions, which in turn can motivate political ideologies that distribute rights and privilege differently based on racial categories. So racism is a structural form such as legislation that consider immigration to be a problem that teach history and fosters negative perspective. Racism is also said to be a condition in which a dominant group benefits from the oppression of another group or minority.
So, satu, dua, tiga. So they are use their power in the several ways. The first is they are as a power holder who has the ability to present products to the intended audience. And the second, Dior also use money to feature various celebrities such as Jisoo Blackpink, and world-renowned Anya Taylor as a models in its product advertisement to get the attention of customers. Next.
So, Dear Slanted Eyes advertisement has sparked and controversy and widespread criticism for being offensive and furthering negative stereotypes of Asians, and it's getting a lot of negative comments on Chinese netizens that saw the advertisement as a racist against the slanted eyes Chinese race. So they post the various critical comments on the Weibo social network. So for the example, there are several comments on Weibo network social. So there there is a user that mentioned about the eyes, and it's saying about the model uh, in the advertisement poster. In addition, there are several comments that we found in Twitter that responding that the look of the deer advertising of seemed offensive to the Chinese model in the
Tiga. So after the advertisement release on the several platform and get the criticism from people, they are tried to clarify the controversial photo in Weibo applications by saying that it was not a commercial advertisement and it's just a simply photo that part of an art project. And also, Dior has removed all related content from both offline and offline platforms. Uh, Another negotiations from Dior is the brand will continue to respect the feelings of Chinese people, abide by Chinese laws, and cooperate with relevant authorities to strictly review all works to be displayed to the public. And also, Chen Man, as the photographer that who shot the model for the Dior advertisements, also apologized to the people who were offended by the advertisements. Next.
Mm.
So from our presentations, we conclude that Dior has been involved in several controversial cases for over its advertising. So this is not the first time Dior has caused controversy with its product. The Dior advertisements has provided an example of how a lack of cultural representations can cause controversy and offend some and also damage their brand reputations. And therefore, Dior has a responsibility to ensure that all its advertisements do not offend certain ethnic groups. So that was from our presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.